Hôm nay là 25 tháng 7, em tên là Như Ý, em sẽ đọc bài báo. From VOA Learning English, this is a science report. Weather experts say this year could be the strongest El Nino event in recorded history. They say it could lead to soft weather conditions in many parts of the world. El Nino is Spanish for the child. The event usually begins in December. El Nino developed when winds of the west coast of South America weaken. This permits warm water in the western Pacific to expand toward the east and the Americas. At the same time, clouds and rain over the warm water also move east. El Nino condition happens about twice every 10 years. Usually, the conditions continue for about 12 to 18 months. They bring warm weather to some areas. The areas also become wetter than normal. However, El Nino led to drop in other areas. As in Africa, Kenya and Uganda are preparing for possible flooding because of El Nino. Yet, two countries to the south, Malawi and South Africa, are already dealing with extremely dry weather. The United Nations Children's Fund warned that many people are at risk from hunger, disease, and water shortage. Resulting from this El Nino in Egypt and Southern Africa is warm up to 11 million children could be affected. Weather change caused by El Nino depends on its strength. In the early 1980s, a strong El Nino was linked to dry weather in Australia and Asia, rain and flooding in South America, and high temperatures in much of the United States. 10 years later, a smaller El Nino caused flooding in parts of the U.S. For VOA Learning English, I'm Calvary Priestley.